In this video, I'll show you how to add a thumbnail to your Roblox game. Now first you want to open up roblox.com, and from in here you want to go to create. Now once this is done loading, you have to enter on your creations, choose your game. Then from in here you want to go to places, select this one just like this, and from on the left hand side you want to go to thumbnails. Now from thumbnails, you have the option to choose the image or an auto-generated image. You can also do a video which costs Robux, but just choose upload image and select the image that you want. Then from in here, you want to go to save changes, and just like that, you'll now edit the thumbnail. That's basically how you can do it, guys. It's super simple and super easy, so I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.